farm animals to be healthy, they need a balanced diet and multi-component nutrition. The different ingredients such as barley, oats, and corn are stored separately in silos and mixed with special mixers. However, mixers are gradually being replaced by more versatile and multifunctional machines. In addition to mixing forage, this mixer can move around the farm and fill the feed bunkers. This machine does the work of 3 pieces of equipment, so the owner spends less money on maintenance. In addition, this particular model features a large hopper capacity. With 1,190 cubic feet, it can cope with more work. There are many ways to increase the quantity and quality of the harvest. Now you're seeing one of the options. This is a Swiss-made manure spreader. The machine doesn't just spread the fertilizer, it does it evenly. This is an advantage because too little compost can reduce the fertility of an area, while too much compost can result in a waste of money. The model is suitable for a wide range of agricultural and municipal tasks. In addition, it's capable of working in all seasons and provides the operator with greater visibility from the cab than other similar equipment. Some sports cars cost millions of dollars, and transporting them over long distances is always a huge responsibility. For that reason, customized trucks are created especially for this purpose. For example, a company in Slovakia uses this vehicle to transport sports cars. It can transport 2 cars at a time, one on the upper deck and one on the lower deck. There is a folding ramp at the rear that can be used to load the vehicles. And to make it easier and safer, the truck is additionally equipped with an advanced suspension system. During loading, it reduces the ground clearance at the rear and thus makes the slope of the ramp less steep. In the past, we've shown you machinery capable of removing trees from the ground, along with their roots, so that they can be planted in a new location. A few years ago, a less aggressive alternative to this method was invented. It's performed with a suction excavator, like this one. This machine has 2 working elements running at the same time. The first uses a high-pressure air jet to destroy the layer of soil surrounding the tree. The second is a wide hose that vacuums up the loose soil. Working in turns, they allow the roots to be freed. When the tree is released, it can be lifted and moved gently. The collected soil, on the other hand, is reused for planting, as it is collected into a special hopper. Vacuum technology is now used by utility service providers in many countries and is becoming increasingly popular. It can even be used for waste collection, as they do in Germany. A Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis is equipped with a waste hopper and a vacuum pump that's connected to a hose. The latter, by the way, is manually operated. Despite its impressive diameter, the hose easily reaches the containers and sucks up all the waste. The work can be done quickly, without having to lift and turn the heavy containers. Another advantage is its versatility. The vacuum is powerful enough to pick up not only household waste, but also construction waste. Railway accidents are especially problematic when they occur in tunnels. It's not difficult to guess that specialized equipment, not just any machine, is needed to solve this kind of problem. On the screen, you can see a system used in the mountains of Switzerland. This rescue train consists of several sections, each with its own purpose. The first is for firefighting, the second is an ambulance for transporting injured people, and the third is a standard evacuation car. If necessary, these sections can be separated and used individually. Most people think of garbage trucks as machinery that makes a lot of noise and also leaves an unpleasant smell and a cloud of fumes. But that is changing. Low-emission electric garbage trucks are already being tested. For example, a Spanish company tested this vehicle a couple of years ago. It has a 340 kilowatt-hour battery and can travel up to 155 miles. It then goes to a recharging station, and after 3 hours, it's ready to go back to work. In addition to the electric propulsion system, it has intelligent driver assistance systems. These include a lane assist system, an emergency braking assistant, and even a hill start assist system. Logging produces long, smooth logs, which are then used to make construction materials, furniture, and a wide range of other products. But what happens to the tops of the trees that are cut from the logs? The answer to this question is provided by the next machine on our list. It is a mobile unit with a chipper capable of converting tree tops into wood chips. The advantage of the machine is that it's not tied to one place, but can be moved. This in turn allows the tree to be disposed of at once without leaving residue after felling. The resulting chips are used in industrial production as well as in construction and landscaping. In technologically advanced countries, special multifunctional vehicles are used in the event of a streetcar breakdown. Their task is to transport the vehicle quickly and, above all, safely to a place where it can be repaired. Essentially, this vehicle acts as a towing car. It's not immediately noticeable, but in addition to the usual wheels for driving on asphalt, the vehicle has an additional pair. During travel, these wheels are fixed on the rails, which helps to keep the car on the right track. Towing is carried out using hooks, one at the front and one at the rear. Excavators are versatile machines that can use a variety of interchangeable attachments. However, this is the first time we've seen an accessory like this. The machine uses an angled bucket, which allows it to scoop up soil and create shallow level trenches at the same time. By the way, another interesting feature that is not immediately noticeable is the design of the excavator. The operator's cab, along with the boom, is attached to the truck where the trailer is normally located. The next vehicle we're going to talk about today is a tow vehicle. It's designed specifically for military operations and therefore has an armored hull and state-of-the-art protection systems. It can withstand ballistic weapons fire and continue to travel after a mine explodes under its wheels. What's more, the vehicle is even capable of protecting the occupants from sniper rifle fire. At the same time, even in the most dangerous situation, it will continue to fulfill its task of towing military equipment. To do this, the vehicle uses a 360-degree rotating boom with a capacity of 60,000 pounds, a winch, and an independent underlift with a capacity of almost 35,000 pounds. And of course, it has superior off-road maneuverability and is capable of moving over extreme and very soft terrain.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.